Extroverted individuals often excel in real estate. This is because of their outgoing and social nature. This helps them build relationship, which is key to success. Here are 3 strategies for extrovert real estate agents to leverage their strengths. First is networking and relationship building. Extroverts thrive in social settings, so take advantage of local events, community gatherings, and industry meetups. You also can host client parties, open houses, neighborhood mixers, or workshops. You also can leverage social media platforms to connect and engage with your audience and build a strong online presence and connection. Second is effective communication skills. While extroverts are naturally outgoing, they aren't always the best listeners. So it's crucial to balance this trait with active listening. Also, use your communication strengths to keep clients informed throughout the buying and selling process. And third is personal branding. People are drawn to authenticity, so let your extroverted nature shine, and it can set you apart from the other real estate agents. Video allows your extroverted personality to come across even more effectively, which is going to help your clients feel a personal connection with you. By leveraging these strategies, extroverted real estate agents can maximize their social skills and create a strong presence in the real estate market.